Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 479, largest prime from consecutive prime sum. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about this one. For this one, during the contest, I definitely rushed it a bit because I got 3 wrong answers and they're all very silly mistakes. But I don't think there's anything too tricky about this one. You just have to follow a lot of steps and kind of do them. The key thing is, the biggest key thing, if you ask me, is just that you have to do them once, right? Or you have to do them once so that you pre-calculate the answer. There are not that many possible answers, actually. I didn't even check. So we'll take a... No, I submitted a right answer, right? Yeah. So definitely, to pre-process in some way, either doing it here or just, running it, right? Because if you just print P2, for example, and we'll go over the code. You could put this, you could copy and paste this, right? This is very small, so you can put it in maybe like P2 is equal to and you're also done, right? So that's a possible solution. Of course, we'll go over the actual code right now, but okay. So the idea, of course, is the way that I would solve these problems is just ask myself, what do I need, right? I need prime numbers to check whether a number is prime. Okay, so then I use prime sif, right? Straightforward. I'm not going to go over prime sif for this problem, for this explanation anyway, but definitely Google this, right? And then the next is sum of consecutive prime numbers starting from 2. So that's like a prefix something, so I just did that here. And then lastly, which I did forget, honestly, is that it has to be a prime number, so then we take this, and then we filter out for only numbers that are prime, including a 0 for if it doesn't exist. Yeah. And that's it. And then after that, after you do all this, you binary search. And again, the array is like less than 20 numbers. Maybe it's more than 20 numbers. But like, let's say 30 numbers, binary search is fast. You don't even need binary search because there's so few numbers, but it just also uses the binary search. You do a linear search from this list, not from, every number, right? As long as you do all that, then you're pretty good. But yeah, that's it. I got 3 wrong answers because I misread constraint ones. What was the second one? So I did that by mistake because I thought it was 50,000 instead of 500,000. Silly mistake. I forgot the prime. I forgot to filter out by the prime number, and I just forgot the non-existing one. So yeah, very silly mistakes, but it happens. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have. You could watch me solve it live next to see how I made those mistakes. Now, honestly, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't, and for me, usually I don't. But yeah, okay. And largest prime number less than or equal to n that can be expressed as sum of 2 consecutive primes starting from 2. 1 or more consecutive primes. Oops. Okay, so I mean it's just a pre-processing problem, right? The largest prime number less than or equal to n. Okay, I mean it is pre-processing for sure. Let's just say right. Kind of disappointing on Q1 actually, but it is what it is. And then now, what are we doing? Right? So that is the biggest. Okay, and then now, yeah, we do a number thing, right? So maybe something like this. Yeah. Just say 2, right? For if prime sub I, then P. Right, so let's just print this real quick. Okay, fine. So it goes actually pretty far, huh? But it doesn't even go up to that high, but we can just do it, right? So then now we just binary search, right? Something like that, right? What? Oh, whoops. Man, I'm really bad today, isn't it? Huh. I'm just rushing it, honestly, but isn't this 10? Oh, it has to be prime itself. Oh, whoops, I am a Dumbo. I am the Dumbo. Yeah. Oh man, why am I so bad at this? Why am I so bad at this? Would I get one? Alright. Wow. I think I'm just, am I rushing it? What am I doing? Just, well, the first wrong answer was definitely rushing it, but maybe I'm just a little hungry today. But, Oh, wait, no. Oh, because I set the max too low. 5 times 10 to the 5th. Oh, no, you Dumbo. I didn't know what that meant. I hate this. But 0 is okay. I was gonna say 0 is not a prime, but okay, fine. I'm just not. I don't know. It's just one of those days. We all have those days where you just not care, which is fine, but then it shows up in a lot of places where maybe you do care, or you should care a little bit. It's like if you don't care, then why are you doing this? Like you should try to care. Okay, that's my fault. This is a disaster. I have 4 penalties already. People got it in 4 minutes, and I am just a disaster. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this prom, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see you all later, and take care. Bye-bye.